Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And what is the first method? So first of all guys, restart your system. Just click to go to and then restart. Okay, then follow my all methods. So first click to start and type music. Go to app setting. Slow down. Click to reset, then repair, and then click to terminate. Then close it. Then Windows R, type ws.exe. So you can see automatically open Microsoft Store. So no worry about it, just click it. Okay. So next. Hi guys. Created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type. Okay, then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.